Hey, my name is John LaFrancesca, and I am the General Sales Manager here at Generation Buick GMC in Bohemia, New York. Needed some help on our sales floor. Definitely needed to bring some new life, new people into the store. And I got to tell you, we reached out to AutoStaff. Matt came down here. We had a recruiting campaign. 50 people showed up. We sat them down. We got to know them. Went through the interview process. Went through recruiting, talking, answering all types of questions. And right now we have probably 20 people who are going to be coming aboard. They start next week. And I have to tell you, the process was seamless, very easy. Matt did all the heavy lifting. All right, I got to meet these people and spend some time with them as well. And I feel real good going into their new careers. But with AutoStaff, I have to tell you, easy breezy. And again, I'm John LaFrancesca, General Sales Manager at Generation Buick GMC. We also have Generation Kia right next door, and we are located in Bohemia, New York, right on Sunrise Highway.